Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Botanic Gardens right now, and we'll finish off the Circle Line with this C830. But it's really full, what the hell? But now we can finally experience C830. Let's get on board. Pretty much is the exact same as the C830C, considering the product producer is the exact same, but motor is a little bit different. And also the colors of the doors, and also how bad they are, because they only have a sacred map. Just like that. Please do not lean against the K-train doors. Next station, Farrer Road. And also one more difference is the door closing speed. It matched the platform doors closes a little bit faster than the doors. Next station, Holland Village.
Long enough unattended. If you see any suspicious looking person or aspect, please inform us or press the emergency communication button located inside the train box.
This is a really long journey. Still have one more to do after this, which is the Serangoon, HarbourFront to Serangoon North East Line. Next station, Buona Vista, change at the next station for the East-West line.
Please do not lean against the train rods. Next station, Buona Vista. Change at the next station for the East-West line. The conductors, please leave the center of the cabin and leave the other conductors embarking at the next station. Thank you. Buona Vista. Change at this station for the East-West line. Please mind the platform gap. 请注意月台空隙. Sino berhati-hati ruang di platform. Gaya descending, para miring.
Okay, so somehow they just cut the announcement. They don't actually have the ta-da thing.
Doors are closing.
And next station is the weird one North, which is the very weird station with no capital letters in the name. Literally all small letters. One North with a hyphen in between. I have no idea why the station is actually named as One North without any capital letters.
One North. Please mind the platform gap. 请注意月台空隙. Sino berhati-hati ruang di platform. Gaya descending, para miring. Government vehicle baru.
One North. And after this is actually a section that I've taken before during this trip. During this real trip with my parents, we've visited Haw Par Villa. And also we've got off at Kent Ridge to visit National University of Singapore. Next station, Kent Ridge. Which is the station for National University of Singapore, which there are actually some shuttle buses and also routes. Oh boy. So that's why usually you see a decent amount of university students and staff actually getting off at the station, which we did last time as well. Last time was literally packed. Like literally, you see the entire train is almost clearing out right here because of the university and also the hospital as well. Next station, Haw Par Villa. There should be like in a row again on the other side C830Cs, because that's the one that I've let them go, let all of those go, so they've returned now. Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Haw Par Villa. Haw Par Villa is the attraction right next to the exit, so you can go ahead and visit that. It's pretty cool, explaining some of the concepts of death in Chinese culture, and also all sorts of different religion and all of that stuff. But mostly it's actually related to Chinese myths on what happened after death, and the judgment in hell before you get reborn as something else. Haw Par Villa.
Haw Par Villa. Please mind the platform gap. 请注意月台空隙。
Senador hati-hati di ruang di platform. Dahil siden, ano na yung kaparating kolingor. The Tamil is pretty funny. No stereotyping of the language, of course, but as a foreigner that doesn't understand that language, it sounds pretty funny. Well, I lose the grip of the phone and I clicked the wrong button, so there's a little cut there. Next is Pasir Panjang.
Do not lean against the train door. Next station, Pasir Panjang.
Pasir Panjang.
Pasir Panjang. Please mind the platform gap. 请注意月台空隙。
Almost done! That's such a long journey.
Doors are closing.
Next station, Labrador Park. This train service will end at HarbourFront.
Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Labrador Park. This train service will end at HarbourFront.
This is like the only line that actually really plays like when this train is gonna terminate, like a couple of stations before it ends. Like East-West line, North-East line, North-South line does not do that. And actually no, North-South line does say it ends at Marina South Pier. But East West Line does not do that. It will say that when it arrives at the last station, like next station, Tuas Link. And after that, this train service will end at Tuas Link, like that, which is stupid. Just like how Melbourne says the stuff. Like the Melbourne trains. Next stop. Next station is Frankston. This train service will end at Frankston. Something like that. Labrador Park.
Labrador Park. Please mind the platform gap. 请注意月台空隙. 수역을 hati-hati ruang di platform. Daya seiring, dalam medan government golden value.
I really need to go to the toilet as well. Big one. Next station, Telok Blangah. This train service will end at HarbourFront.
Please do not leave your belongings unattended. If you see any suspicious looking person or item, please inform our staff or press the emergency communication button located outside of the train doors. Telok Blangah, please mind the platform gap. 请注意月台空隙. 수역을 hati-hati ruang di platform. Daya seiring, dalam medan government golden value.
And also the stopping speed is so slow considering it's an auto train.
Telok Blangah. Doors are closing.
And next is HarbourFront. This next station, HarbourFront. This train service will end at HarbourFront. Change at the next station for the Northeast Line.
Dear commuters, please move to the center of the cabin and make way for other commuters arriving at the next station. Thank you.
HarbourFront. This train service ends here. All passengers, please alight. Thank you for traveling with SMRT. It is turn back siding, so that's why you have to exit the train. And plus there will be staff kick you out anyways. But hopefully I can actually show you how Paya Lebar they terminated trains. They don't have a single staff to help with people. And they terminated Paya Lebar in the middle Spanish platform. They just let it go. No staff to help you with like you're terminating, no announcements because there are no drivers. They just do the regular announcement, this train service ends here. And if the people like doesn't hear it, they thought they're just gonna continuing and they're just gonna go straight back because the train actually doesn't end there. For a Paya Lebar short trip, they actually, one time when I took it, Paya Lebar terminated and then it goes back to Caldecott. And then people are just gonna get so confused when they actually go backwards at Paya Lebar without anyone telling them. Now some other people actually was like, it's very helpful last time on the train. Some passengers helped the passengers that did not get off to get off because they didn't know. And here we are, HarbourFront. Here we are. There is one staff there. It's kicking people out here. And there's that one, no train service at this platform. He's boarded train at platform B. And now I need to look for a toilet before we do northeast line. This is going to be continuing with the loop in the future. I have no idea how they're going to be. What the hell is that guy doing? Jesus Christ. And there's this guy here. He might actually stop me, so let's just pause real fast. And there it goes. There's actually a staff on the train ready to just go with it, to go into the sidings. I have no idea when they're actually testing, or are they actually even doing any testing for the new sections or whatever. But there that goes. Now I've been actually start to look at the train numbers, but for these videos this time we're not gonna type in the train numbers because I don't remember. That's it for the entire Circle line. Pretty okay fun, but it's just basically the whole loop, plus the stations are pretty boring. All island platforms. So, plus actually the other direction when it goes back to Dhoby Ghaut, all doors open on the right, because you remember Promenade is we open on the left for Promenade, but that's a stacked platform, so that's why it's basically on the same side for the platform. So that's why on this side when it goes back to Dhoby Ghaut, everything goes on the right, because the Promenade stacked platform will also be opening on the right. So that's kind of unfortunate, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys next time for more videos. Till then guys, peace.